How to fix update KB5058405 failed to install in Windows 11 23H2
or 22H2.
Hello friends, follow the steps. First thing first, try to install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will reach this page. Here you will find the file for ARM64 based systems for 23H2 and 22H2, for x64 based systems for 22H2 and 23H2. Check your system type first. Click on Start, go to Settings, click on System, select About. Here you will find system type. This is 64-bit operating system. I have installed 23H2. Determine yours and click on Download. Click on the download link. After the downloading is completed, click on the File Explorer icon. Go to the Downloads folder, which is generally the download location. Right click on the downloaded file. Select Open. The Windows update will be copied to the Windows update cache first. Then you will have to restart your computer. After a couple of restarts, the update will be installed. If this method doesn't work, then modify services. Click on Search, type Services, click on Services, right click on App Readiness, this one, select Properties, make sure that a startup type is automatic. If it is not automatic, select Automatic from this drop down and click on Start if it is highlighted. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on App Readiness and select Restart. In the same way, right click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic, and service status is showing stopped, so click on Start. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on the Background Intelligent Transfer Service and select Restart. Now look for cryptographic services. This one. Right click on this service, select Properties. If it is not automatic, startup type, change it to automatic and click on Start if it is highlighted. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on the cryptographic services, select Restart. Click on Yes. Now go to the bottom. For Windows Update, this one. Right click on this service, select Properties. Change the startup type to automatic if it is not automatic, and click on Start if it is stopped. Click on Apply, click on OK. Right click on Windows Update, select Restart. Close the services window and now check for updates. The next method is Reset Windows Update Cache. Go to the video description and download this file from the link there. This will download a zip file through your default browser. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon, click on Extract All, click on Extract. Right click on this batch file, select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Press a key on the keyboard. Type Y and press Enter. Press a key on your keyboard. Close the windows and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. If the issue still persists, then run DISM and SFC tools. Click on search, type CMD, right click on CMD, select run as administrator, click on yes, run the SFC command first, go to the video description and copy this command, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Then run the DISM Restorehealth command. Copy from the description, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Close the command prompt, close the other running tasks and restart your computer. Then try to install the cumulative update. If the problem still occurs, then uninstall third-party antivirus program. If you have installed any third-party antivirus program, then it may be an obstruction to install the update. So uninstall it and then check for updates. Right click on start, select installed apps. Find the third-party antivirus in this list. I have not installed any third-party antivirus. I am showing you an example here. Suppose this is the third-party antivirus. Then click on this three dots icon. Select uninstall. Click on uninstall. Click on yes. If any uninstallation wizard appears like this, follow the on-screen instructions until the completion of the removal. Then restart your computer again and then check for updates. If the problem is not solved until now, then you can check disk space of your system. Go to the Windows Update catalog and see the size of the update. It is approximately 900 MB. So your computer must have more than 900 MB free. In the drive where Windows is installed, click on the File Explorer icon. Go to this PC and in the drive where the Windows is installed, make sure that more than 900 MB is free. If your system doesn't have free space, then you can uninstall unnecessary programs installed on your computer. We have already discussed about uninstalling a program through installed apps. Apart from this, you can run disk cleanup to delete unnecessary files and folders on your computer. Click on search, type clean mgr, click on disk cleanup, select the drive where Windows is installed, click on OK. Here click on cleanup system files, again select the drive and click on OK. Check all the boxes here. And click on OK. Click on delete files. After the deletion, again try to install the update. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.